how to add code on BIGO Live. Now let's get started. First of all, launch the BIGO application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you will land on this live page. Now, from this menu bar at the bottom of your interface, tap on the Me icon. After that, you will get your profile page. Now, just under your ID or your friends following fans list, there you'll find an option as earn money. Tap on that. Then you will land on this interface. If you search here by scrolling, there you won't be able to find any option to add the code. Now from this interface, navigate to the top right corner and there is a question mark icon. So you have to tap on that. Then you will get to event rules page. Here under the second section that says about inviting new user, there you will have a link as new user detection. So tap on that. That link will take you to next page and there you will find a section as enter BIGO ID. So there you have to add the code or BIGO ID of the person, a user that you like to detect. So simply copy and paste the code right here. And once you do that, tap and submit. After that, you will be able to detect the user with the help of the code or ID. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.